Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, sir. Dear children, can you tell me what is this? Circle. Yeah, it represents a circle. Okay. Now, if I ask you what is the formula for area of a circle, what's your answer? Yes, Tele. What is the formula for area of a circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Now, if one circle is there, you are saying that the area is pi r square. Suppose if I keep two circles, then what will be the area? What will be the area here? Yes?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Suppose if I take three circles, then
3 pi r square.
3 pi r square. Suppose if I take four circles, then
4 pi r square.
so, my dear children, somewhere I am trying to tell you what you know and what you should know. You already know that the area of a circle is pi r square, and if the number of circles get on increasing, you multiply by number of circles. So, 4 circles you will say 4 pi r square again, 5 circles you will say 5 pi r square. So, if there are h circles, then it becomes a cylinder. So, circles, if I keep one over the other, the final figure that we are going to get is cylinder. So, what I want to tell you is, you need not forget the formula. You can relate the formula with what is known to you to what is unknown to you. So, what I want to tell you is, volume of a cylinder, this is the way in which you should remember. Volume of a cylinder is equal to area of a circle multiplied by height, and that's equal to how much? Pi r square h. So, this is the volume of cylinder, right? Now, can we have one more formula for this, or one more thing can we remember? See, this is a circle, already you are informed. What is the formula to calculate the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle? It is 2 pi r. Suppose if I take 2 pi r, 2 circles, then? Okay children, what is the formula to calculate perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r, very nice. Suppose if I take 2 circles, then 2 multiplied by 2 times of perimeter. If I take 3 circles, in that case? Yeah, so that means if I keep one circle over the other, the ultimate figure that I am going to get is a cylinder. You can see here, as the thickness increases, it takes the shape, the circle takes the shape of a cylinder. So, now we need not call it as a perimeter, we call it as a curved surface. What we call? Curved surface. So, curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to perimeter of a circle multiplied by height. Okay. So, this is the second formula that you should understand. What is it? Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to, what is it? Perimeter of circle multiplied by height of a circle. So, 2 pi r into h, and that's equal to 2 pi r h. Now children, I told you two simple techniques to remember the formula for volume of a cylinder as well as curved surface area of a cylinder. Now, our children, they will tell you another simple technique to remember curved surface area of a cone with the help of a drama. And the characters of the drama are, come forward here. Once again, Parmi is there, Mansi Jalan is there, Sanika Kulkarni, Arihanta Wagmare, and Pranjali Aurade. Now, actually, there is a ferocious fight. यहाँ पर एक झगड़ा होने वाला है. किस चीज़ के लिए झगड़ा होने वाला है? चूड़ा खाने के वास्ते। चूड़ा खाने के वास्ते यहाँ पर एक झगड़ा होने वाला है, और उस झगड़े का समाधान हम सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम का टॉपिक लेकर इस झगड़े को सुलझाने वाले हैं। तो झगड़ा सुलझाने में भी मैथ्स हमारा काम आएगा। किस तरह से काम आएगा, झगड़ा किस बात को लेकर है, चलो आज हम इस नाटक के द्वारा देखने का प्रयास करेंगे।
No, give it to me.
You both shut up. It's mine. I want to eat it.
Give it to me.
Look, Parmi, I want to eat it, but they both are fighting for.
I also want to eat it.
Wait, I will call Sanika. She will solve your problem. Sanika, look here. Both of them want to eat it, and there is only one small box. Please solve this problem.
Okay, I will do it. Hold it. Take this.
अरे झगड़ा हो रहा था तुम्हारा, खत्म हो गया झगड़ा? क्यों भाई?
क्योंकि हम तीनों को इक्वली पार्ट मिल गए।
क्या था वो? चुरमुरा तो देखते कैसा? मुझे भी दो ना। वाह मस्त है। ये कैसे किया तुमने?
सर, वो मैंने सेम रेडियस और सेम हाइट का कोन लिया।
हाँ।
जो सिलेंडर के बराबर है।
ओके।
इसका वॉल्यूम भी सेम है।
हाँ।
और सिलेंडर के 1/3 कोन है।
सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम का 1/3 है। तो इस तरह से देखिए आप कि चूड़ा का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो भी हमने मैथ्स के माध्यम से इसको सॉल्व किया। कोन एंड ए सिलेंडर आर ऑफ इक्वल हाइट एंड रेडियस, देन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन इज 1/3 द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर। तो देखिए हमारे इन बच्चों के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन इज इक्वल टू 1/3 into volume of cylinder. So 1/3 into, so this is pi r square h by 3। तो मैंने आपको बताया कि सिलेंडर अगर आप याद रखोगे तो कोन आपको उसके साथ आराम से याद रख सकते हो। एंजॉय द पार्टी। ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे। और जब भी कोई चूड़ा का झगड़ा होगा तो इसका सलूशन आप इस तरह से कर सकते हो। बाय ऑल।